Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so we have some of the combs or the frames that were spun, and these are basically empty, and we're going to put them out and let the bees clean them out. So you see right now, there's no bees on here. You can come in closer.
Yeah, you couldn't even see your face really.
Yeah, so
Feast bees.
so there won't, actually I'm going to turn these around so they'll be easier to see. But bees, next time I come out here, oh crap, I should have gotten more of that fur comb off.
Bees will be
Next time we
all
come out
over
here,
that.
they will be, look, there's one, they're all ready.
Mm-hmm.
Right in my eyelash.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Okay, so actually, move them a little close because they got a bunch to stack up. Okay, it's going to be kind of fun to come back and...
How long do you think
Why are
it'll
you
take?
filming my waist? You have to...
Oh no!
How
I
long do you
didn't
think it's gonna
realize
take
what
for
I
them to,
was
like, swarm
filming.
then?
It depends on how warm it is. And we have a little bit of wind now, so I honestly don't know. They're starting to be active, but we'll find out.
At this point, I kind of look like a paparazzi.
Okay, turn it off.